In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repost and quote threads on iPhone. If you've ever wanted to quickly share a post you like or add your own perspective for your audience, this walkthrough will make it easy and stress-free. Let's start with a straightforward repost. A repost shares the original thread exactly as it is, without any added text from you. Begin by opening the Threads app on your iPhone. Next, find the thread you want to share. This could be something you see while scrolling your home feed, a post you've opened from a notification, or any thread you're viewing in the app. When you're on the right post, look just below it for the repost icon. It's the one with two arrows forming a loop. Tap that icon, then tap repost. That's all there is to it. The thread is now shared directly to your feed, so your followers will see it just as the original creator posted it. Because reposts publish immediately, take a moment to double check you've selected the right thread before confirming. It's a quick, clean way to boost content you support. Now, if you want to share the same thread but add your own thoughts, you'll want to create a quote. You'll start the same way. On the thread you want to share, tap the repost icon with the two arrows. This time, choose quote. You'll be taken to a compose screen with a field labeled Share Your Thoughts. Tap that field and type your message. This is your space to explain why the post matters, add helpful context, or share a respectful counterpoint. You can keep it short and punchy, or write a bit more if you need to make your point clearly. Emojis and line breaks can help with tone and readability, and sticking to a clear voice ensures your audience understands your perspective at a glance. When you're ready, tap Post at the right of the screen. Your quote will appear in your feed with your message on top and the original thread attached below, so viewers can see both your take and the source in one place. To recap the difference, repost is the fastest way to amplify a thread exactly as it appears, while quote lets you share that same thread with your own commentary. Repost when you want to highlight content as is, and quote when your audience will benefit from added context. That's it. You're ready to share confidently on threads using reposts and quotes. Open the app, find the thread that matters, and choose the option that best fits your goal. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.